guys, isivele yashuba ngempela ke manje there by e-TV scandal. Lo mfana lona uPablo Benotiro have just ruined engagement ka Victor noVuvu, and I want us to talk about that and more here in this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can notify previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Now, I really thought and hoped that this season or this show is going to end with umshado kaVuvu no Victor. You know, bephila kamnandi, finding out that uVuvu is pregnant. Bemnandi nje guys. You know, I didn't really expect this is going to end with uVictor or uVuvu dying. And by the look of things, kule episode leqeda kudlala 299, episode 299, kubuya sengathi there's someone dead here. Either uVuvu noma uVictor, angazi ukuthi ubani. So uVictor asked uHlori noMdala noThapelo to assist him ngokuplana engagement. Shuthi ke uyithanda kakhulu ingane yabantu leya uVuvu. So he decided ukuthi sifuna ukuyishada ke manje. Planned his engagement, everything was perfect, venue was perfectly fine, and even nendlela abamthathe ngayo uVuvu bamhambisa laphana, like it was so tricky. She didn't even suspect anything. But then uThalita, uTiro noPablo had different plans. So nanto yenzakalayo, uVictor is a witness kwicase kaThalita. In fact, when report uThalita uthi wayezama utshontshe imali wara yonke lonto leyo. So uThalita now uthi uma ngaba ngashona uVictor, kube uthi uVictor is dead, then she will be free. So she's doing anything in her powers ukuthi naye aphumelela jele leliyana. So wabona ukuthi let me get rid of uVictor. And wabheka ukuthi ubani ngambambulela uVictor. Temacabanga wabona ukuthi nginengane mina uTiro ehlanya ngekhaya. And uTiro naye agreed to help uThalita since he thinks ukuthi he owes uThalita his life. So vuma lonto leyo, Tiro hired to Pablo, and then they planned this whole thing or orchestrated this whole thing of trying to kill uVictor. Now, just when uVictor no Vuvu were happy, celebrating their engagement and everything, Pablo came. Keep his bum sack. Keep his bum sack. Walala yonke into phansi. So I don't really know who got shot there. Ngaba kufe uVuvu noma ngaba kufe uVictor, or they'll both survive and go to hospital maybe. I don't know. Guys, comment down in the comment section. Do share. Do you think that the writers did the right thing by making this possible, or they should have at least waited and do comment down in the comment section, ladies and gentlemen. Share your thoughts, share opinions about this topic, and if you enjoyed content here in this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.